little zucchini, one small zucchini, and I have some chickpea left over, so I'm going to make almost like a fritter style. I don't even know what to call it, because really these are things that I just come up with all of a sudden. And so let's start. Okay, so here's my my little cup, my blender cup. So I'm just gonna throw the chickpeas in there, and I will throw in also the zucchini, just roughly chopped, big chunks. There we go. What we need for the binding, since we're not going to use egg, or if you're going to use egg, by all means use egg instead, because that will be perfect, right? I'm going to use a tablespoon of psyllium husk. That should be my glue. Let me put it that way. And I'm going to put baking powder, just a little bit, like a teaspoon. It goes right in there. I'm going to use fresh basil. And we're going to blend that with 2 tablespoons of water, or 1/3 cup. Now if you don't have psyllium husk, you can use coconut flour. Okay, so either way. I will blend this up now. Alright, so my batter's done. You can see how thick it is. Look how thick it is. That's why I put very little water. Now what we're going to do is season this. I know I should have done it before, but I don't know, I find it more better this way. Seasoning is your choice how you want to season it. I already put basil in there. All I need to put is some salt. So I'm going to just sprinkle some salt in there. Just a little bit. You don't want to overpower it. And just give it a stir. Alright, so that we are going to fry up. I have here already a pan that I just finished using and frying some plantain, and well, I'm not going to waste my oil, so I'm going to fry it in the same pan. So I'm just going to do just small little, they almost look like pancakes. I should have just kind of mashed up the chickpeas instead of blend everything together. That way it would be fritters. But anyways, what can I do? That's what they look like. That's how they will be. So we're going to fry this up, and I will be back. So this is how they came out. As you can see, I'm not a professional, but I come up with things and then I screw up and then I kind of fix it after. Just add some raw chickpea flour, then it will just bind together, because seriously, already cooked chickpea will not work. It will not just do the thing. So you're gonna have to add some raw chickpea flour. This looks like I don't know how to even explain it. So this is so-called cooked. So I added a little bit of flour, like a tablespoon, maybe 2 tablespoons. So let's see what happens. It's a little bit better. I'll be back once I'm done all of them. Okay, so here's the results, and well, as you saw, my bloopers, and all you had to add was 2 more tablespoons of raw flour, either coconut, either chickpea flour. It's your choice which one you use. And as you see, it came out nice. Anyways, thank you all for watching. Comment below, thumbs up, subscribe if you're new, and don't forget to click that bell so you don't miss any of my videos. Thank you all for watching. Happy cooking. Bye.